Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make shoyu chicken. Shoyu chicken is a popular dish in Hawaii that is pretty common among plate lunches. It's a Japanese-Hawaiian fusion that has gone insanely delicious. It's a simple dish to make and one that you won't regret to make. Here are the following ingredients. I prefer to use Aloha shoyu because it isn't too salty compared to the Kikkoman brand. But if you can't find Aloha shoyu, try to get the reduced sodium version of Kikkoman. First off, add all the ingredients to a pot: water, shoyu, brown sugar, honey, crushed ginger, and crushed garlic. Mix all of the ingredients until the sugar and honey have dissolved. Add in the chicken thighs. Normally shoyu chicken is with the bone and skin on it, but I prefer to have it boneless and skinless so it could absorb more of the shoyu sauce. Bring the sauce to a boil, turn the heat down to a simmer, and cover it and let it simmer for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, flip the chickens over, then cover it and let it simmer for another 30 minutes. After 30 minutes is pau, or finished, remove the chickens from the shoyu sauce and set it aside. Meanwhile, in a small bowl, mix together the cornstarch and cold water. Using cold water helps prevent any lumping in the cornstarch mixture. Add in the cornstarch mixture and let it thicken the shoyu sauce. It usually takes 3 to 4 minutes to thicken. Now plate the chicken with rice and pour that delicious shoyu sauce over it. It's great to eat shoyu chicken with mac salad or coleslaw. Serve it hot and enjoy this onolicious shoyu chicken. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any upcoming recipes. Mahalo!